Bangalore. Today, we celebrate the sacrifice and martyrdom of our armed forces that brought laurels to the nation during the Kargil War against Pakistan in 1999. 26th July is celebrated as the Kargil Vijay Divas to honor the lives of the brave soldiers who laid down their lives on the front lines to secure a victory against India's aggressive enemies. What happened and transpired in Kargil must be an example to every Indian to judge his or her own actions when it comes to national service and patriotism. करो याद भारत के वीर जवानों को, कारगिल की चोटी पर लहराया तिरंगा, उन देशभक्तों की कुर्बानी को, दुश्मन के सैनिकों को मार गिराया, नाकामयाब किया उनकी चालों को, श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित उन सासी निडर भारत भूमि के लाडलों को. Let's welcome a school choir that is going to dedicate a melodious performance.
It gave us a measure of the time and mettle of the Indian Army, which was key to winning the Kargil War. On this note, I am taking you all to have a glimpse into this proud moment. They must have gone away with silent peaks, but left immortal times inside the heart. They vowed their timeless youth to do its part, without a thought of medals, fame, and feats. It has been 22 years since India won the war against Pakistan in Kargil in Kashmir on 26 July 1999. Since then, it has been observed as the Kargil Vijay Divas. It gave us heroes like Major General Ian Cardozo and Captain Vikram Batra, whose accomplishments will be etched in our minds and hearts forever for generations to come. Every year, this day is celebrated to honor the sacrifices of all those lives that were lost or harmed. There is a special ceremony at India Gate, which is headed by the Prime Minister of the country. It is a gesture to appreciate and pay respect to all the brave soldiers who continue to defend the nation's walls without sleep and without rest. We all must resolve to do whatever necessary to save our proud nation. There should be an intention to pay back our nation's soul.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम सचनीर कौर है। मैं कक्षा 8वीं बी की छात्रा। प्रत्येक वर्ष 26 जुलाई का दिन कारगिल विजय दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। यह दिन कारगिल में शहीद हुए जवानों को श्रद्धांजलि समर्पित करने के लिए मनाया जाता है। इस वर्ष कारगिल विजय दिवस की 22वीं वर्षगांठ मनाई जा रही है। उन सभी शहीदों को नमन करते हुए मैं आपके समक्ष एक कविता का गायन करने जा रही हूँ। वह कौन है जो प्रत्येक सुबह चिड़ियों के चहचहाने से पहले उठ जाते हैं और बिछ जाते हैं हर उस जगह जहाँ से तुम्हें गुजरना होता है अपने महत्वाकांक्षी सपनों के साथ। इस खूबसूरत पृथ्वी पर वह प्रत्येक जगह है। अपने श्रम की संपूर्ण महक के साथ गांव में वह ज़मीन है, ज़मीन में वह औंधे लेटे हुए मानो तो शहर भी वह ही है, शहर भर को उठाए हुए। और नहीं है कहीं वह लाखों लोग जो तुमसे ज़्यादा हैं ताकतवर भी निरंतर बढ़ रहे हैं और एक हो रहे हैं। आखिर कोई कब तक किसी को रोक सकता है ज़मीन पर सीधा खड़ा होने से? आखिर कोई कब तक किसी को रोक सकता है ज़मीन पर सीधा खड़ा होने से? धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Sachnika, for this wonderful poem. This poem has infused a sense of pride in each of us. Let's dive into Patriotic Ocean and enjoy a mashup of patriotic songs by Mr. Ashish and Mr. Eddie.
तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान। ऐ मेरे वतन तुझे मेरी कसम, हम अपना फर्ज निभाएंगे। अब तक जो जिए बस तेरे लिए, बस तेरे लिए मर जाएंगे। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। चाहे आंधी चले तूफान उठे, बढ़ता ही रहे तू रुके नहीं। जब तक है फलक, जब तक है ज़मीं, तेरा दिल ये कहे तू झुके नहीं। बस यूं ही लहराए तिरंगा, बस यूं ही लहराए तिरंगा। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। हर करम अपना करेंगे, हर करम अपना करेंगे। ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है, जान भी देंगे। ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है, जान भी देंगे। ऐ वतन तेरे लिए हर करम अपना करेंगे। ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है, जान भी देंगे। ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है, जान भी देंगे। ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला। मेरा रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला। माए रंग दे बसंती चोला। आजादी को चले बयाने दीवानों की डोलियां, आजादी को चली बिहाने दीवानों की डोलियां। खून से अपने लिख देंगे हम इनकलाब की बोलियां, खून से अपने लिख देंगे हम इनकलाब की बोलियां। हम वापस लौटेंगे लेकर आजादी का टोला। मेरा रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला। माही रंग दे बसंती चोला।
Thank you, sirs, for inspiring us with the pure love for our motherland, India, through your wonderful Jugalbandi.
We now request our principal ma'am, Mrs. Inderpreet Kaur, to say a few words on this momentous
Good afternoon to all present here. It is indeed a momentous occasion that we gather here today, and that is the 21st anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas. As you are aware, all of you, because we always celebrate this day in our school. Of course, this is the first time we have a virtual celebration of Kargil Vijay Divas. You know that India, the brave hearts of India, the Indian Army particularly, but the Indian Armed Forces in general, they've won a very difficult a war, which is called the Kargil War, against a nefarious enemy, that is Pakistan. Now, this was fought in the year 1999, and on 26th of July 1999, we finally savored victory. But the victory came at a great cost, at the loss of a lot of lives, and of course, life and limb both. Several bravehearts of the motherland lost their lives in this very, very fierce battle. Now, what makes this battle so unique or so rare, or rather, what makes this victory the way it is the fact that it was fought on the world's highest battlefield. This was fought in Kargil, which is no ordinary battlefield. And of course, this is such an area, such a terrain, where even climbing a mountain or climbing some of those mountain peaks that became known to all of us, like Polo Lake or Tidal Hill, of which we see a model here. Even in normal circumstances with proper equipment and mountaineering equipment, it is so difficult to climb those mountains. But here we have the soldiers of the Indian Army climbing these peaks in an effort to beat the opponent, that is the enemy. And they did so in the middle of artillery fire coming from the upper reaches where the enemy was sitting. And of course, mortar, shelling, and what have you. It was not an easy battle at all. Like I said, merely climbing these mountains is a Herculean task. And here we have the soldiers of the Indian Army, without any worry about their own lives, simply motivated by the love for their motherland and the line of duty and commitment that they have always fought by, that they fought this battle, and at the end, of course, the heavy cost, they won this battle. So today is a day when we salute that indomitable spirit, that never say die spirit, that grit, that determination, that passion, that conviction of the soldier of the Indian Army. This is a day when we salute each of these soldiers, some of them very, very young. As you can see on the board over here that has been prepared lovingly by your teachers, names such as Captain Vikram Batra, Captain Saurabh Walia, Captain Anuj Nair, Captain Vijay Harper, and many others. I've just taken a few names. These names have become synonymous with the Kargil War. These soldiers laid down their lives for our motherland. It's not a small thing. It's a big sacrifice. And of course, one is reminded of the famous words of Captain Vikram Batra, and I would like to quote. And he said, when he was going to climb this peak, and he said to his men, to the other soldiers, to his comrades, he said, either I will come back after hoisting the tricolor, or I will come back wrapped in it, but I will come back for sure. And he did come back. Yes, he came back wrapped in the tricolor, but he assured a victory. His contribution, and there are many others like him, assured a victory for us Indians, right? We all have been breathing free air. We all have been sleeping peacefully in our homes. But remember, these soldiers put up a brave fight for our sakes. So this is the day when we salute the soldier of the Indian Army. And also, we have a lesson in this for ourselves. What is the lesson? The lesson is that no matter how adverse the circumstances, like even today we're facing very adverse circumstances, no matter how rough the climb, no matter how tough or challenging the road that lies ahead of you, we can conquer all. We can surmount all the difficulties. And we can do so again by taking a lesson from these brave hearts. The lesson of self-belief, the lesson of confidence, the lesson of courage under all circumstances, the lesson of conviction, okay? And we can win all the battles of life. So that's the least that we as citizens of the country, and most importantly you as students of this institution and of this great country, India, can do. fight and surmount all the obstacles that may come your way. And we can just internalize some of the sacrifices that these brave hearts did for us. So on this great occasion, that is Kargil Vijay Divas, which is a day which evokes mixed feelings. A feeling, of course, of joy and jubilation because we won the war, but a feeling of loss as well because we lost so many people. So on this day, let's salute the spirit of the martyr, the Indian soldier who never really died. Right? So on that note, I wish you all a happy Kargil Vijay Divas and let's salute our nation, our motherland. Jai Hind.
Let's keep alive the sacrifices of the bravest of the brave soldiers all the year around and be inspired by their love for the motherland. A big salute to them. Jai Hind. Thank you all.